honestly, y'all, we finna finish this right here because I'm not no punk. My mama didn't raise no. So, because you need water to flush this down. Woo!
And if I went broke, I still be the GOAT. I ain't religious, but I know Jesus and I know the Pope. If you wanna hang, I'll show you the roads.
Hello, welcome back. As you can tell by the title, I'm doing the 2-day Arden's Gardens detox. I'm gonna do a review, but then I'm just gonna show y'all the journey. So it is currently, oh, it's not gonna focus because I'm using my other hand to hold up the vlogging stick, but it's 12:39 Monday, January 4th. I'm gonna just start at 1 because I wanted to eat some of my edibles. So since I hadn't started the challenge, technically I haven't cheated. So I'm gonna start at 1 o'clock. And I don't think I probably shouldn't have taken an edible because I can't eat. So if I get hungry, we're gonna see what I'm doing. But I'm also filming other videos today, so we're gonna see how that go. But yeah, it's 12:39 and I got 20 minutes. So what I'm gonna do now is just sit around. I'm gonna do a beginning weigh-in. Y'all, do not judge me for my weight because once Thanksgiving came, I did not care because I was like, you know what? I'm still doing this little 30-day plank challenge. And yeah, really everything has been going to like my bottom half. So I guess it's okay. Like my stomach hasn't been like exploding, but if I keep playing, it will. So yeah, I'm finna weigh myself and then I'll check back in with y'all when I actually drink this juice, which I'm kind of excited for because I've been watching like videos. I really didn't watch no videos before I bought it. Like I bought it because I was like, I need to do a detox so I can get back on my grind of finishing up these final 40 pounds. But now it's a little bit more because that holiday weight is real. So yes, do not judge me, but we're finna go see what I weigh. Well, I already saw what I weighed and I just laughed because I was like, yo, what am I doing? I'm going the opposite direction, but it's okay. I know I'm getting back on track. But yeah, enough talking. I will see y'all when I see y'all. I'm just doing a time check. It's 12:49. I have not gotten up. So I just went and stepped on the scale and I had the camera ready. But then the number that just popped up on the scale was not the number that was on there 10 minutes ago. So I'm thinking it's because I have the camera in my hand. So I'm going to pop up the camera and we're going to see. Because if that's the weight that is on there, then I'm just going to have to tell y'all what the weight was. Because what? What? Alrighty, so it is now 1:01. Hey, it's almost my birthday time. But this is the Arden Gardens 2-day detox, weight loss detox specifically. I got mine through their website, so due to the like corona and then like the gallon shortage, they're shipping like this. So you get 16 of these, 8 per day. And this is my first one of the day. And I'm supposed to take it every hour and a half, I think. But I'm gonna have to do it every hour because if I do every hour and a half, I'm gonna be up until like 2 o'clock trying to drink this stuff. And I ain't trying to do that. And y'all, I'm really just keep shaking because I'm scared. Like, I heard it was good, but what if it's not good? I gotta drink 8 of these. And then, like, I can't have any food. And you can only drink distilled water. So I have a gallon of distilled water, but really I'm supposed to have 2 because you're supposed to drink an equal amount of distilled water with this. So I should drink a gallon of distilled water today to equal this. But I'm probably not even finna cap. I'm probably gonna drink like half a gallon. Don't get me wrong, I love drinking water, but distilled water and then all day, I don't know. We're gonna see. But for the moment of truth, I really was waiting till 1:02. And it's officially 1:02. Okay, you don't want to focus, but it's 1:02. And we're gonna see how this tastes. Y'all, I'm scared. Okay, it's not bad. I know that was a baby sip, but it's not bad. Like, it smells like orange juice, but I definitely just taste grapefruit, which is fine because I actually like grapefruit. grapefruit. I mean, I don't eat it often, but like I can handle the taste. Now I don't know how I can handle the taste. 8 of these all day because it's just like tart. But it's not bad. It's definitely doable. But y'all, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I'm already hungry. I woke up hungry. Then again, I woke up at 12 o'clock. So it's definitely doable. I may do a check-in later today just to like update y'all or like do some like updates if I'm like struggling. But if not, I will see y'all tomorrow with day 2 and a review of day 1 and how I like made it through the day. Was it a struggle to eat? Well, hopefully it wasn't a struggle to eat because I can't eat, but was it a struggle to not eat? I was talking to my best friend just now, and y'all, it's currently 1:12. Y'all know I started at 1:02. 10 minutes, and I'm still struggling. Like, I'm really not a fan of orange juice, so like, even though I taste mainly grapefruit, I can still taste the orange juice, and that is really what's doing it. I'm just checking in. It is now 2:40, and I'm about to drink the second one. And I just filled this one up with distilled water. That way I can start drinking some of that. But yeah, just want to check in. Not doing good, clearly, because I got 6 more to go and it's almost 3 o'clock. So I guess I am doing good. If I just do one every hour, I'll be done. But yeah. Just wanted to do a day 2 check-in. Definitely a late start because it's 1:55 and this is bottle 1. Supposed to be starting bottle 2 at 2 o'clock. So yeah. Excuse my appearance, but it is currently 8:30, day 2, and this is bottle number 8. Final bottle of the day, final bottle of the challenge. And there's not much video footage from today, like check-ins, because I was struggling. At 3:30, I was still on bottle 2. And it's currently 5 hours later, and I have 1 bottle left. I don't know, maybe I'll come back and do the final sip on camera, but y'all, the struggle is real. Hello, so it is now Friday, December 8th, so 3 days after my detox, and y'all, it was worth it, but it was a little challenging. That grapefruit flavor, it got sickening by like bottle 4 on day 1. So day 2 was definitely harder for me than day 1 was, just because day 1 I was motivated. Day 2 I was dreading it. It wasn't even like I want to get this over. It was like I don't even want to do this anymore, just because I did not like the flavor. It was just too tart and very acidic-y. And they recommend you do a refeeding of raw fruits and vegetables for 2 to 3 days after your detox. So I did it for 2 days. The first day I ate 1 strawberry because I wasn't really hungry, and then yesterday I ate an apple and some grapes, and then I ended up eating a meal last night just because I was moving too much and I just needed to fuel my system. But I decided to weigh myself again this morning just to see if I was able to if the refeeding process was allowing me to still lose weight, or if me eating that meal was just gonna like make me gain it all back. So I'm gonna insert that clip now. And yes, I lost 3 more pounds. So I lost a total of 12 pounds during this little 5-day, 2-day detox thing. So I definitely recommend trying it if you just want to detox your system, but also if you're trying to start a weight loss journey or you're trying to get back on track for your weight loss journey, this is a great motivational step, because seeing those 12 pounds gone is like really motivating me to get back on track. And so that's what I'm gonna do. But yeah, so I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and we out this thing.